Hi guys, and welcome to Power in 3 minutes. And today, this is the evening. I was just watching the sunset, and I don't know if you can still see it. Let me just jump here and see and try and show you. Can you see that? Can you see the sunset over there? It was so beautiful. Can you see that? I'm gonna show you around a little bit. Right, so today is another of our Power in 3 minutes session, and as you can see, we're still in this beautiful place. I don't think the video is doing its great, but we will carry on anyway. So today I'm looking at that water and I don't want to go in because I don't want to go in yet. But today I was thinking about a conversation we had with my young people yesterday when we went to a KFC. Now we got talking, and the girls, the teenage girls, said how the chicken was like the best they have ever tasted, like the best thing they have ever tasted. And I was like, oh, but you've tasted this in the UK? But they were like, no, this is simply the best. Now, as they were marveling at this beautiful, succulent chicken and also the chips, they said, look at that man on that, on that package, you know, like obviously Colonel Sanders, who's the founder of this recipe, the KFC recipe. And I said to them, do you know that man was rejected? His recipe was rejected over 1,000. It says in his, I think it was in his biography, it said he was rejected over 1,009 times before someone actually accepted it, right? And we're like, what? And then I went on to explain to them the many failures that Colonel Sanders experienced. And he said that his motto is, he's got 2 rules. Do all you can and do it to the best that you can. Right? What actually caught the attention of the young people is the many times that he was rejected. They just couldn't believe it. They were like, no, he went around selling, and people were saying, no, how can someone say no to that? And I said to them, oftentimes people will not understand you. People will reject your invention or your gifts or your whatever you're bringing to the table. But if you just keep going for it, believe, like totally believe in what you're doing, and just keep going for it, keep doing it, and keep doing it to your best, eventually the world will have no they will have no option but to actually accept it, right? And I went on to say to them that when your understanding grasps the power to visualize your heart's desire, and this is a verse from Genevieve Behrend's book, Your Invisible Power. It says, when your understanding grasps the power to visualize your heart's desire and hold it with your will, it attracts all things requisite to the fulfillment of that picture by the harmonious vibration of the law of attraction. Right? So I said to them, when you're set, when you're focused when you can see the vision clearer and clearer than anyone else can, and you hold it with your will, don't let go. Everything in the universe moves everything around to make sure that you actually fulfill whatever that desire is. And I went on to speak to them about energy, and I said to them, you guys know that energy is always transmuting into form, right? So if thought is the highest form of energy, right, at its highest vibration, what then does that mean? That if you hold on to that vision, if you hold on to that picture, it must come to form. So this concept that I'm presenting, it's not just a good feeling something. It's both scientific and it's also a very scriptural of thought. It says, for example, in the Bible, it says, whatever you see, whatever you see, that shall be given to you, right? Wherever your eyes see, how far your eyes see, that is what shall be given to you. And also it also says, my people perish because of lack of vision, right? So when we have a vision, it must come to be. So I'm excited talking about this, and I get so excited. In fact, yesterday I was so excited talking to young people about this concept. And today I want to encourage you that no matter how many times you've been kicked in the teeth, how many times you have ventured into things and they have not worked, just keep your eyes on the goal. Keep your eyes on your vision, because that vision must come to be. If you do not drop it, don't drop your vision, right? The path may veer, you may drop off the wagon, you may even sometimes lack belief, but never lose the vision. And like Colonel Sanders said, do it, keep doing what you have to do, and also do it to your best ability. So today I'm excited about that. So I will speak to you tomorrow, and this again is our series of 30 days, step into your greatness in 30 days. And before I finish, I just want to show you a little bit of the ocean coming to us, right? Today I'm not stepping into the water because I've got my sandals today and I don't feel like stepping into the water. I'll probably come back later. We'll probably come back later and walk along the beach, and I will speak to you tomorrow, right? Have a quick look of this beautiful resort that we are at, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Love you all. Bye.